Hello everyone. It's an honor for me and my partner today to deliver a presentation about online classes versus traditional classes. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Tamila Rasan and my metric number is 201857. The topic of our presentation for today is how do online classes take up when compared to classes in a more traditional environment. In this presentation, I will cover about introduction and main point 1. So that will be the overall structure of my presentation. Now let's move on to the first part, which is introduction. As we know, during this COVID-19 pandemic, all face-to-face classes were cancelled and replaced by online classes. Now the question is, what's mean by online classes? Online classes is an education that take place over the internet and refer as e-learning or distance learning. These online classes involve the umbrella term for any learning that take place across distance but not in a traditional classroom. In addition, a recent survey was conducted of 1021 experts, and from that 60% agree by 2020 there will be an adoption of teleconferencing and distance learning in educational system. So this is the simple introduction for online classes. Now let me move on to the next part to see how online classes take up when we compare to classes in a more traditional environment. First, online classes make a student more disciplined and requires less of time. Online classes make a student to be more self-motivation and more independent because student will spend a lot of time on their own without someone close to them to keep focus on deadline for any submission. So in these online classes, student will be more independent doing their own work without depend on others. Second, why I say online classes requires less of time investment? Because this generally involve the time to get back and forth to classes and plus the time spent waiting for tutor and other student. In online classes, student no need to wait for any other student. If student themselves are ready, they just need to do is join the link given by their tutors for online classes. So this will make student spend less of time by online classes. Okay, I think so I already cover the two part of my presentation, which is introduction and main point on. So I would like to end my presentation by saying thank you for paying your attention. That's all from me.
Hi and good afternoon. My name is Goshia. My machine number is 201975. Now I will present about the second main ideas of the presentation. Online class can improve virtual communication and collaboration. Communicating in online class is typically different than face-to-face class, but the goals of online communication are the same as the goals of face-to-face communication, which are to bond, to share information, to be heard, and to be understood. Students can get better at giving ideas and give out their opinions and responding during online classes. Besides that, online class offers shy or more reticent students the opportunities to participate in class discussion more easily than face-to-face class. The reason is because the professor will open the session for students to ask questions after finishing the class. At the moment, the students who want to ask questions can stay in the online class platform and ask questions. Therefore, the students can ask questions more confidently because the professor will not see their face that full of doubts. Moreover, virtual collaboration can make us become a more effective person. This is due to some courses require students to hand in the work as their attendance. The work either is group work or individual will improve the students' efficiencies. The reason is because the work given by professors have the duty to hand in, so students will hand in the work on time. Through the work given in online class can develop critical leadership skills of students because students cannot face-to-face to discuss the work, and the student will create efficient processes and making decisions about best communication practices so that every work can be done through online discussion. To summarize, fostering a sense of community in online class will make the learning experience more meaningful for online students and help them stay connected during the life of courses. This brings me to the end of the presentation. In conclusion, online class is beneficial. Online class is a growing and exciting new way to learn almost anything. To summarize, the main key points are: online class develops students' self-discipline and requires less of time. Online class also can improve virtual communication and collaboration. Although many people still consider that face-to-face class is the best way to achieve knowledge, online learning proves to be a great alternative. Students have the chances to study in their own time and especially for free. Online class is so effective because students can finish their work quickly and there is more time left for hobbies. Due to the wide set of benefits it gives to students, online class have become quite popular and appreciated among students all over the world. Now, let me leave a quote here about online class. Online class is not the next big thing, it is now big thing. Okay, that's all for our presentation today. Thank you for your attention.